Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys, so today we will check kung ano yung meron sa chiller natin. So we have here salmon, pork ribs, beef, so thinly sliced pork. How about pork gochujang rice bowl? Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi grill pot. So now let's make pork gochujang rice bowl. So for our pork gochujang rice bowl, the ingredients we're going to use are cooked rice, thinly sliced pork, garlic, onion, spring onion for garnish, gochujang paste, olive oil. Then let's start. Reheat natin yung grill pot natin. Oil to our grill pot. Add our onions, garlic, add our pork, season with salt, black pepper. By the way guys, Koizumi grill pot is 2000 watts, very easy to use, glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistant. Then add in our gochujang. So for this one, I use paste pero nag-extend ako ng onting water para hindi siya mahirap i-mix. So guys, this is optional pero for me, I want to add brown sugar. Let's add in more black pepper. So okay na yung pork natin. Let's plate it na. Let's get our bowl in our Koizumi dish dryer. Then this is optional too. Me, I always have pickles or vegetable pickle every time kakain ako ng maanghang or spicy. So here's our pork gochujang rice bowl.